Defining a specific era for an artist like Kendrick Lamar is complex, as his career is marked by consistent evolution and cultural impact. Early beginnings and rise. This period includes his mixtapes like Section 8. It established him as a rising voice with lyrical depth and social awareness. The release of Good Kid, Mad City in 2012 marked a significant breakthrough, solidifying his place in mainstream hip-hop. Critical acclaim and cultural impact. To Pimp a Butterfly in 2015 elevated his artistry to new heights. With its complex themes and musical innovation, this era solidified him as a generational artist. Dying in 2017 showed his versatility and ability to create commercially viable yet artistically music. Cultural evolution. His work on the Black Panther further demonstrated his cultural relevance. Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers in 2012 displayed a very personal and vulnerable side of Kendrick Lamar, showing his continued evolution as an artist. In recent events, the beef with Drake further solidified Kendrick Lamar as a leading artist in hip-hop, starting a new era that is strictly commercial for him yet artistic. The beef ignited the shift from Drake to Kendrick Lamar Era. Kendrick's Super halftime performance was a significant cultural moment for hip-hop, with a powerful and thought-provoking message and cultural influence. Therefore, rather than a single era, his career is best viewed as a continuous evolution of artistic excellence and cultural impact.